Welcome. We are having today All in the Family Kitchen services. And we are having 3 guests. Well, actually 2. Tracy and Kelly Langer. They live in Hollywood Park. And they are learning everything they can about cooking.
And over on this area here, we have Miss Tracy Langer holding this, so she won't burn herself. Caramelizing white sugar for the syrup of the flan, the Mexican flan.
Isn't that precious?
And over here we have Kelly and Amy conferring on the mixture of.
Now, I'm filming Tracy Langer here, and she's cooking
caramelizing sugar.
Oh, caramelizing sugar. Now, Tracy, what process did you use to caramelize the sugar?
Well, monsieur, all I did was put some sugar in here and turn the heat on very hot and stir.
That sounds simple enough. And why are you making this?
So I can kill the flan. I mean, make flan.
Okay.
We don't add that to it.
Flan is very good.
Yes, I do enjoy it, ma'am.
Good, I'm glad you do.
Oh, you're almost ready.
Yes.
I'm going to turn that off.
What are you almost ready for?
I'm almost ready to be done.
Let's take it
making
off
flan. Okay.
and put it here.
Okay.
It's done.
Well, I'll interview you later.
Wait.
Caramelize.
Every day in this world there are people that I meet. I go up, shake their hand, and they see the kind of person that I am by the smile that I wear. I am blessed by the smile Jesus gives me. A smile to make life worthwhile. A smile, precious smile Jesus gives me. And someday I know up to heaven I will go, where I'll thank Jesus for the smile He gives me. Well, we look nice. Oh, you have to do the second verse. Ready? Oh, you want to be ready? Tell me when. Jesus Christ died for you, and He really loves you too. There's a way you can smile and be happy. Won't you ask Him in today? He'll come in to stay. You'll be blessed by the smile Jesus gives you. A smile to make life worthwhile. A smile, precious smile Jesus gives me. And someday I know up to heaven I will go, where I thank Jesus for His smile He